Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday's recap. This is Saman from Owls. We're going to go over what trades we did, what we think the market sentiment is, and what potential swings we're looking forward to in the next coming days or weeks. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and smash that subscribe button. We want to continue pumping out content for you guys, and we cannot do it without your support. And if you haven't already, join our Discord channel, absolutely free for 7 days. You have absolutely nothing to lose, everything to gain. We can't wait to see you there. So let's get into this. Why do we like to trade SPY and SPX so much on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays? Very simple. The contracts expire the same day. There's a lot of high price action, and we can make a great 20, 30, 40, even hundreds of percents in a very short amount of time. On the flip side, something to keep in your mind for risk management is we have very tight stop losses on them. If we don't catch the move, we're not discouraged. I may put it at 10 to 20% depending on how confident I am on what's going to go on. And I don't really size very heavily because I know that I can catch SPY or SPX 3, 4, 5 times in a day. I want to preserve my buying power. I want to mitigate as much risk as I can. And I want to continue to be on the front line as the day goes by. So for us to get a better understanding of how we played SPX today, I want to show you this chart and what we were seeing and how it was revealing itself to us. I just got to get this thing on the 5-day, 5-minute. Here we go. So you can see it's been up and down, up and down, up and down. Last week, it did a beautiful triple bottom, and it was either going to continue more to the downside or just rip up with an uptrend. And what it decided to do was the rip up. So this was Thursday. We saw that it cooled down on Friday, didn't really know what it wanted to do. But if you look at these three levels, here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. I don't have an exact support or resistance for this because it was more of a range that people were buying and selling into, but you could see that around this 440 mark, like 440 to 425, it could not break through. It tried it once, it tried it twice, it tried it 3 times, and you could see right above that 440.55 is a very strong resistance for us to break through. What I was looking at this morning and what the team was looking at this morning is if it rises up and breaks this 40.55. As we can see, it went into that range where it started to break down to the downside. It kept on rejecting this level. Great. So as we saw the second rejection, we thought, you know what? It's time to place our puts. And you can see how beautifully this thing rode down for the rest of the day. Comes right here to this support. Again, you have to respect the levels. I continue to say that. I will always preach. You have to respect your levels. Broke this support, came right down here, tried to come back up, but this was a little baby bull flag. Flushes, touches a lower band VWAP once, twice. On the third time, it came back up. 437.11 is a major resistance or support. Tried it, it failed. It tried it once here. It tried it once here. Rejected and just flushed for the rest of the day. You can see that it made a tremendous 3-point move first hour of the morning and then continued to flush 5 points. So how do we play this? Let me guys show you exactly what we did in our Discord channel from the top of the morning. SPX, 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 SPX. You can see the story goes, it's the same thing. This is one of our biggest winners, by the way. $660 to $2,200, almost a 400% return. Look at this guy, $2.60 to $15.57. Our team is just bred for SPX on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So we played this thing really, really well. We caught this thing on the upside first thing in the morning. As soon As we saw this rejection, we alerted, hey, everybody trim, be careful. We think that there might be downside. After this second one, we alerted our puts. A lot of people ended up selling right in this area, as they should. This is a great 150, 200% move. But the people that really diamond handed it got all of that in the money premium that they were looking forward to by the end of the day. So this is how we played SPY and SPX today. If you have a smaller account, SPY is tremendous. If you have a bigger account, I would say $5,000 or more, SPX is a tremendous option. Personally, I like to play SPX. When I want to do short little scalps, I'll play SPY. That's what we did. Now, you saw how profitable everybody is. We also alerted. This isn't actually an alert. This is a keep your eye on it type of play. If you look at the daily for AMD, which I'm going to pull up right now, you can see that we have been consolidating for the past month and a half. When something consolidates for this long, there's either going to be a tremendous move to the upside or adversely a tremendous move to the downside. But as you could see, we've held an incredible support at about $100, and now it's coming back up to the upside. As soon as this bearish momentum switches to bullish, and the first blue bar that I see that indicates that we're headed towards a bullish momentum, I'm going to buy an in-the-money call that expires in about 2 or 3 months and just hold on to this puppy, because I believe if we can break out of this 107 range to 110, we're headed straight either to 122 to test the previous high or even beyond. The semiconductor space is still incredibly strong. There's a chip shortage. They have leverage, and AMD is one of the leaders in that sector. So something to keep your eyes on. This is one of those, I will give you a free alert, even if you're in our Discord channel or not, because I think this is going to be a very strong play. Now, before we wrap this up, again, I want to emphasize, make sure to like and subscribe. We want to continue churning out content for you and anybody that's watching. Like 90% of you are not subscribed, but watchers. All you got to do is click a button. So make sure to keep your eyes out on our watch list that's coming out tonight, and we go from there. Enjoy your day, my fellow stonk lovers. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.